welcome back to La Vita Pasta. I'm your host, Justin Barker. Tonight's a special night, guys. Tonight, we're gonna make pork tenderloin saltimbocca. Saltimbocca means jump in your mouth. And this is a mouth-watering dish. You can use veal or pork in this situation, or chicken for that matter. Tonight, we've got these beautiful pork ones that were on sale at Publix. So we're gonna use those. For the ingredients that you're gonna need tonight, okay, you're gonna need some buffalo mozzarella over here. That's a big thing of buffalo mozzarella cheese. You're gonna need some fresh sage, a little bit of prosciutto. Now this is enough for, I don't know, 15 people, so we're not gonna need that much. But I'm gonna show you how to cut this. You're gonna need a little fresh flat leaf Italian parsley. I already told you about the sage. We're gonna use a little bit of flour, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of butter, okay? So, by the way, tonight's, well, it's gone. It's gone. I was going to tell you what wine I'm drinking tonight. It's a nice Sauvignon Blanc tonight. And we're going to cook with that as well. A cheaper bottle of wine we're going to cook with tonight. So, to get started, first thing we're going to do is we have to cut the tenderloin the way we want it. Now, this is important that you pay attention to how we're going to cut this, okay? I want to show you that you'll see you have a nice loin here. Now, we're going to cut angle down like that, okay? And then we're gonna do another one like this, okay? Actually, a little small there, maybe a little bit like that. Good, right there. And what's gonna happen is they're gonna flatten out when we pound them out. So how many is that? 5? Let's do 8. There's what's left here. This will be perfect, okay. Now, what you're gonna see is you're gonna see me pounding these out, okay? Literally. Good, one there. All right, when I come back, you're gonna see me coming back. You're gonna see that I've pounded these out. I'm gonna show you how we dredge them in flour and get them cooking. I'll be right back. Okay, so we pounded out the nice little pork loins into these little flat, nice about, I don't know, 1/4 inch thick pieces of pork here. See how nice that is? And here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna lightly flour, nothing major. Just a little bit of flour on each side there, nice. Okay, and we're gonna take this right over here and we're gonna lay them in. Away from you first, right? There's 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the big fella. All right, put that right in there. Okay, so now we're gonna let those cook and brown. It takes about 4 minutes total, so about 2 minutes aside. We're on medium-high heat, that's 7, so you can see that there. And all we're doing now, look, we're just letting this cook nicely. So now's a good time to take a little bit of that fresh parsley we chopped up. A little bit of the fresh parsley and just kind of make it dance a little bit there. On there, and just let it cook in. And we'll be back in just a minute. We'll flip them over, we'll prepare them for the oven, and we'll make the sauce. Be back in just a minute. All right, so now you see it's cooking, and now we're gonna flip it. Oh, look at this. Oh man. Perfect coloration there. Very nice. All right, now we gotta add a little pepper. And so we're gonna take a little bit of fresh, if I can find it, black pepper. And we're gonna add it in. Good to go on that. And while that finishes up cooking, we are gonna get our buffalo mozzarella ready. So, here, we're gonna slice this beautiful section of buffalo mozzarella. Gorgeous, look at this. So, we need about, oh, it's almost pre-sliced. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
using all of it?
7 and 8. Okay, perfect. Perfect. All right, now we're going to take we're going to take out our pork. Very nice. So it's okay if it's a little pink still because we're going to put it in the oven and let it finish off in the oven. All right. Okay, we can turn that off for just a minute. Now let's focus over here and we're going to show you how we're going to prep this out. So what I've done is I've taken a cookie sheet, right? And we're going to lay these out on the cookie sheet. A little warm from the pan still. Helps to have some hands that don't mind the heat. Getting burned is no fun. All right, now we're going to take a little prosciutto from over here. Yum, 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 yum. Now prosciutto is just basically it's a saltier pork product. It's, you know, nice, beautiful Italian ham, if you will. And we're gonna take some pieces of this gorgeous prosciutto and layer it over. Oops, just cover the piece there, okay? Like that. Now again, your oven, by the way, the oven is on 350. And, you know, we didn't get a chance to do this today, but I just wanted to thank everybody who is on the front lines of the COVID virus, all of the people in healthcare, and all of our friends and family that are physicians and nurses and caring for people all over the country. We are in the battle for our lives here. So just want to remind everybody, stay home when you can. Try not to be a spreader of or a host spreading the virus. Enjoy your family while you're home, while you can. We always said, man, I wish I had more time home with our families. Well, now you got it. So this beautiful Italian ham is prosciutto, and we are just essentially, all we're doing is covering that. We're gonna take a piece of sage on each one, okay? See that? Sage is very fragrant, super fragrant. And it really does a nice job of putting spices in the meat. There we go. Okay, from there, we take a nice little slice of buffalo mozzarella on each one. Some of them are smaller, so you can kind of, you know, like that. So maybe this guy can go there, and this guy can go there. All right, from there, guys, this is simple. This is only gonna take about 6-7 minutes at 350. Max 6 or 7 minutes. All we're trying to do, because basically the meat's almost 99% cooked, all we're gonna do here is melt the cheese. So this is going in the oven, 350, about 6 minutes, maybe 7 at the max, right in the oven. Now let's make our sauce. So in here, we're gonna turn our heat back up to 7, and we are gonna add about not that much butter. I'm gonna move that butter around in there. Look at this. Oh, good. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Mm-hmm. While that's cooking, you're gonna get your white wine out. This is a Pinot Grigio, and we're gonna pour about a cup of wine in. And now,
and watch it swirl.
We're gonna let that reduce. We're gonna add the rest of our parsley. In, okay? And again, you don't need salt, because in this you have the salt of the actual pork itself, and you have the salt from the
prosciutto.
Prosciutto, well said. So all we're gonna do here is we're gonna mix this around. Oh, it smells just incredible. I mean, if you could be here right now smelling this, it's absolutely insane. And what's gonna happen is this is gonna thicken up. And this is the sauce we're gonna pour over the dish, over the pork. Oh, look at that come together. My goodness. Good, it smells delicious. So when we come back, I'm gonna show you the finished product. We're gonna have a taste. Looking forward to it. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for joining us today. We'll be back in just a couple minutes. Oh boy. Well, here we are, guys. Oh my gosh. 6 minutes later, and this, my friends, is pork tenderloin Saltimbocca that we're gonna taste right here in front of you. Put one on this plate. Put one on this plate, and then we're gonna add our reduction from the stove. Gosh, that smells so good. Look at this. And just right over the top. For my bride. Now, my guess is this is going to be hot. But look at your coloration here. You've got the nice fresh parsley over the top. It's nicely melted buffalo mozzarella. You got your prosciutto underneath and a beautiful piece of pork. So let's see her reaction first.
What do you think?
All right, let's see what we got.
Lots of flavor.
Can I try?
Of course you can.
It's amazing.
So let me take a bite. Should we dip in the sauce there? Oh, it's perfectly prepared. All right, so what an incredible blend of flavors. This took all of about 9-10 minutes max. And I just want to remind you, you can do this. You can do this at home. It is absolutely phenomenal flavor. Anybody can make this. Now, Tristan, I'm gonna cut up a bite and give you a bite and see what you think.
First time for everything, isn't there?
Yeah, you've never tried
Anything on
Tenderloin
camera.
Saltimbocca.
Oh,
Never had this. There you go. So, go ahead. And here's my little guy, cameraman, having a go at it. What do you think? Is it really good? You like it? What flavor are you getting most?
prosciutto.
Prosciutto? Wow, okay, good. Mom, what do you think?
Prosciutto, wine, pepper.
Good. Awesome. All right,
Here's
guys.
the problem. I barely taste the cheese though.
Well, I didn't give you that much cheese.
Oh.
All right, let's close out the video,
No,
if you hold that for me. So, again, thanks for everybody for coming out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And on behalf of Kim and Tristan and myself and my family, we want to wish everybody a safe time right now. This COVID crisis is crazy. Let's thank all of our veterans, our physicians, our nurses, anybody that's in the healthcare system that's in the pathway of this thing. So, you stay home, stay safe. Thanks for visiting La Vita Pasta. Like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Thanks.